Hello, my name is Erica. Today we are completing the magnetic fields experiment number 2 in the Lesson 11 extension of the Energy Science unit from The Good and the Beautiful. For this experiment, we will need 2 bar magnets, tape, some cardstock, and iron filings. I'm going to tape a bar magnet to the counter and then place the other magnet with the north poles facing each other. Try to get this second magnet as close as possible without touching, and then tape it down as well. There should be a small gap between our 2 magnets. Now let's place a piece of cardstock over the magnets and sprinkle a very fine layer of iron filings over the paper. You can see our magnetic field appearing as the iron filings move into position. This is a like poles magnetic field because we have our north poles together. Let's change our magnets and see if it changes our magnetic field. I'm going to turn one of our magnets around so the north pole of this magnet faces the south pole of this magnet. Make sure they are not touching, and then tape the magnet back down. Let's pour another fine layer of iron filings on our cardstock. Watch what happens this time. This is an opposite poles magnetic field. How is it different from our first one?